Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make crispy seaweed cheese puffy snacks with Vietnam rice paper. Hope you like it. This crunchy snack is much more delicious than I thought. I couldn't help but take a video to share with you. Do save the recipe and try it yourself. Learn this recipe and make it anytime you craving for snack.
This snack tastes so good.
Ingredients: Vietnam rice paper, cheese, seaweed. Remove Vietnam rice paper from packaging.
This is how Vietnam rice paper looks like.
I use instant seaweed slices. Cut seaweed into small pieces. Cut cheese into small pieces. Cut both seaweed and cheese to same ratio and bite size. Place cheese on Vietnam rice paper. Make sure to leave a gap in between each cheese slices. Place seaweed on cheese slices. Brush a layer of water on Vietnam rice paper. Cover with Vietnam rice paper. Brush another layer of water on rice paper and to ensure both layers stick together. Cut into small pieces. Remember to leave a little space between the cheese and the rice paper to prevent the cheese from bursting when baking. Let me show you in different angle. Place baking paper in baking tray. Arrange rice cracker on top and ensure to leave a gap in between ya. Okay, bake at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Snack is out from oven. Place baking paper and snacks on plate and carefully remove snacks from baking paper. It's easy to remove from baking paper as it's not sticking at all.
It's so crunchy.
This snack looks so yummy and nice. The cheese melts in the crackers and the salty taste is delicious when eaten with seaweed. Rice paper rolls are versatile and easy to make and are low in calories, nutritious and protein-packed, hence so good for fat loss. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you, yeah. This recipe suitable to be eaten by whole family. It's crunchy and tastes so delicious. Is Vietnamese rice paper healthy? Rice paper rolls are generally quite low in fat, but fillings like avocado and fish will provide some healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Do keep in mind if the filling is crumbed and deep fried or combined with mayonnaise, this will bump up the trans fat content and is not recommended. How many rice paper rolls should I eat? While serving size generally varies based on the fillings and appetite of the person, between 2–3 rice paper rolls is enough to make you feel full and satisfied. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.